Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can create this type of testimonials and add it to your Kajabi pages with easy. It's gonna be really easy to create and add them. And the best thing is that you can do it fast. So yeah, let's start. So to create these testimonials, you have to sign up to Senja. Senja, it's a platform where you can collect, manage, and add some testimonials to any page you have. I'm gonna add the link below for you to sign up, and after signing up, you will see this screen. You can import testimonials from different platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram. For example, if I press on Google, I can add my business name and import some testimonials to Senja. But if you want to add them manually, you have to click on text testimonial and you have to fill out these blanks and you'll see them here. Even for video testimonials, it's the same process. So click here, add your customer name, any tagline. You can add their photos and add the text. After that, you can add any tags for them just to have them divided or classified and then press on import. Then go back and here from Studio is where you can choose your layout. So click on Studio here and you'll see the different options that you have to showcase your testimonials. But if you don't see any of them, just click on widgets and then choose one. I'm gonna use this one. I can add the name here and then press on create widget. And here you can select the testimonials that you want. For example, you have different filters. You can just choose the ones that have text highlighted or only the ones that have videos. And even for the tags, for example, I added here a tag that is for long testimonials, so I can choose them here. And after choosing the filters, you have to click on Save Filters here and you'll see how they are updated. And then you can change some design things. For example, add more columns, like 2 or just 1, and change other things depending on if you are using the free version or if you are paying for any other version. But with the free version, you can add 15 testimonials. Then click on Save Changes and press on Share. Copy this code here, and then inside of the Kajabi page where you want to add your testimonials, you have to click on Add Content and click on Custom Code. And here you have to delete this text and paste the code that you copied from Senja. You can change the number of columns here and then press Save. And after a few seconds, you'll see all of your testimonials added to your page. If you go to preview, you'll see that all of them are being showing perfect. So if you have any question about Senja or about Kajabi, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.